Let's make Pancit Palabok. This is a Filipino-style rice noodle recipe drenched in a bright orange gravy made from Annatto seed. Let's start by cooking noodles. Put 2½ cup of chicken stock in a saucepan and bring it to boil. Optionally, we can use water to boil the noodles. When noodles are cooked, we can drain and set aside. Meanwhile, infuse the Annatto seed with the oil. After cooking the Annatto seed, wipe and clean the pan. Season the shrimp with salt and pepper, cook and set aside. Now, we will prepare the rest of the ingredients. If we need to add some cooking oil, go ahead and add. We can pound this palabok powder in your Asian grocery store. After cooking all the ingredients, let's gather them all together. There you have it, Pancit Palabok.